guys, we're here in Toyota Cagayan de Oro because we're about to pick up our new car finally.
Thank you for choosing Toyota. You're not one of them. Every Toyota comes with a sure advantage of quality, durability, reliability, value for money, worry-free ownership, that is found to be defective in material or workmanship under normal use within a period of 36 months or 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first.
Kilometer checkup or 1 month after, whichever comes first. So either niabot na 1,000 kilometers ang dagan sa unit nyo, kasi ni 1 month maintenance na ta, or kayo ma-avoid
ang warranty.
Yes.
Hello guys, we're here in Toyota Cagayan de Oro and we're about to pick up our car and I'm with Regan. Naglalaro ng ML. We're just killing our time here in the lounge kasi parang piniprepare pa nila yung unit.
Congratulations!
Yay! Ang oily ko!
Ako rin nga eh.
We got the car! Grabe oh. Grabe, ang oily ko na pala sa kaantay namin. Ang tagal namin nag-antay doon.
Oh my
Finally,
God,
we got it.
So smooth. Available nyo na kinilaw tuloy. Gusto mo kinilaw lang?
Hello guys, we're here in Boyzugba kasi gutom na kami. Ang tagal namin dun sa Toyota. We've been there for almost 5 hours. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Hindi rin kami nagutom dahil nga gusto namin makuha na namin yung sasakyan. Nung nakuha na namin, doon na kami nakafeel ng gutom. As in, gutom na ako. Sobra. Pauwi na kami ngayon. Tapos na kaming kumain, lahat-lahat. And then, we're going home. Bye!